Yeah, I hosted it in Python and everywhere, and today they reminded me that I have to like log in or else they are going to delete my account. Now I logged in, and I saw this beautiful web app I made a year ago. Amazing. I really loved it then. I really loved it. How I wish I could take this online for real now. It's one of the best work that I've made. It really, really helped me develop a lot of skill. I worked on this for about 2 months, but I won't lie. I made use of some AI to help me. So I did all these things, all country flags here, and you can check out any country of your choice. It's just like the world map. You can check out any country of this world, and you can zoom in more than this, not just this. Let me try zoom in and in. Let's check Lagos. But it's a kind of a bit blurry now. Maybe it's because of the network, but it's supposed to be super awesome. Like then And then aside from that, these menus are also all working. I love this part again where you can make research about, let's say you're someone that love traveling to countries, so you want to like know more about places you want to go to, like their weather, their food, their language, their currency, the visa requirement, the location, the culture, the religion, and all those things. All you need to do is just type in where you want to go, like Paris, for example, and then you see you want to know the food people eat in Paris so that you can be prepared. You want to know the currency in Paris and probably the language in Paris. Once you do check what you want to know about, all you need to do is just click on get information, and then the information will appear. Look at what we have here. So this is just like, I think what happening here is that it's getting the information from Google, and then it displays it here for you. So if you really want to know more about them, you can still click on the link, and then you go to the exact page and read more about them. So here it's telling you that go to Bolangri Bakery and then try Bagoti sandwich and all that. I love this. I really love this web app. And then they said how to order food in Paris, 10 delicious food to try in Paris, journey of doings, a lot of things about the food. And then after the food, you're going to see things like language information. They say that French language, useful phrase and experiences in French, things that will really help you be prepared to visit any country of your choice or any places in the world. And then the next thing is food information, like what you have to know about the food information. What are your food must have in Paris? That's that. What timer guide to the best food in Paris and all that. How to order food in Paris, I guess. And then the next thing is currency information. Then you see in Paris they use euro, the European currency, and then the currency exchange office where you can exchange your money, French currency exchange money in Paris, everything that will guide you. And another bug I noticed from this page is that some of them used to like repeat like the language again. We get to see the language here, and then we get to see the currency information again. So that was a kind of bug I recognized, which can still be fixed. Then when you go to courses, you can see different courses you have to like take on airline to, like, let's say you want to learn more about airline sales. About Python anyway, this page cannot be found anymore. I hosted this last year and everything was working fine, but I'm not seeing it again. But I think this or this, okay, let's try this. I've tried this and this was still working perfect as it was supposed to be. If you want to know more about airline, you can come here, read any material of your choice, and then get to know about things about relating to airline. And then not just this, I think we had, or let's try this Amadeus. But I think what really happened is, okay, so some that are not PDF are not really going to work. So maybe that's what's happening, but I'm still going to check it. Let's try visas. Visas is not working. But all these things are just like materials that will help you know more about airline industry, accounting, receivable, this airline accounting and all those things that you have to know if you're in airline business. And then the most awesome part, not really the most, but one other awesome part about this app is this. When you click on this quiz, you can quiz yourself on any of those topics that you have learned about. If you want to quiz yourself about city codes, you can use this to quiz yourself about city code. If you want to quiz yourself about Amadeus code, Amadeus is the issuing app that they use. And then if you want to quiz yourself about local airline, international airline, special meal codes and all that, it's so awesome. Let's say for example I want to quiz myself about country codes in Africa. I click on Africa, then they say what is the city code for Lagos? Lagos is LOS. Lagos, yes, yes, yes. Green. And then they say, what's the city code for Lunda in Angola? That's hard. Let's say lad. I'm correct. Okay, they say, what's the city code for Bamako in Mali? Bamako. I think this correct one. And then what's the city code for Abidjan in Cote d'Ivoire? Abidjan is just like Abuja. So that's good. And then they say, what's the city code for Tripolis, Libya? I think this one is where they are going to catch me, but let's try tip. And that's correct. I'm good. Then they say, what's the city code for Nairobi? I know Nairobi. Nairobi, is it NBO? I guess correct. So I'm going to purposely follow this one now. Windek. Namibia. I don't really know Windek, but I suggest it's going to be this. But I'm going to choose the wrong one so that you see what happened. You get a red that this was wrong, and then nothing will be added. You can click on show answer if you don't know what to answer, and then they will show you the answer, but you can't answer it again. No mark. You can't choose any option once they have shown you the answer. The next thing you have to do is just click on next, and so on and so forth. And when you are done, you can click on the submit button. It has a timer. After 20 minutes, after 30 minutes, everything is going to close, and then it's going to tell you that your the quiz completed, your final score is 6 over 61. That was poor, and that was because I didn't answer the whole thing. And when you are done, I think I'm supposed to have a nav bar here so that easy US design so that you can navigate back. But I think once you are done, you have submitted, you can just click on this back arrow, but I should have a nav bar like this there too as well so that it help people to navigate around. Then it also has a forum where you can go and ask questions about anything relating to airline. And not just that, you can also answer people's questions too. You can see all question, answered question, unanswered question. You can filter them. Let's try unanswered question. You see, we have three unanswered question. Answered question, we have answered question. Okay, agency dash dash dash. I think it's just everything that is going to show you all questions. You get all questions. So they say, what's the full meaning of ADM? They say agency debit memo. It has been answered. And then they say, what's the meaning of IATA? Nobody answered it. They say, where is IATA office located? And then I think it's in the Europe, somewhere Germany like that. I've forgotten that was last year when I did the training. Now I've been working on my. Although then I would have loved to be a travel consultant, but now no. Then what's the code for EPIS? I think EPIS is P4, for example. Let me answer this and then type. Let me make it capital P. EPIS is one of those easy ones that I will not forget. And then click submit answer, and then you see so so what is the code for airpiece, and then you see P4 answered October 2nd, 2025, and the question was asked on November 6th, 2024. So you see how awesome this app is. The database is working and everything is fine. One day I'm going to take this app live seriously. And then the next thing is you can also go to blog where you can go and read about more things about airlines. And then at the side here, I like this image. Then at the side here, we have trending topics. I've not been posting for some time now, so nothing is trending. And then you can also search for any topic of your choice. Let's say, for example, I want to search for 10 airlines dash dash dash. Let's try and search to check if this search is working. 10 airline. Let's check airline. Maybe let's check. Can you see? And it brings us here 10 airline. That was the only thing it displayed. So you see, the search is really working. I really did a lot of work on this and I loved it. And then this is a single page when you click on read more. You can go and see everything. You can like it, one like, zero love, and so on and so forth. You can also place a comment, but now they said no comment for now. So the next thing, you can also see jobs. Let's say, for example, if there's any opening in any airline industry, you're going to see it here. Look at it. There's a flight attendant at company Emirates Airline, and then location is Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and then the next one is travel consultant, quantum travel, location Lagos, Nigeria. If you want to view detail more, then you can view detail here. Full time Quantum is looking for a professional travel consultant that is desire to join them. So this was really, really awesome. I really made a lot of work, and then you can log in, you can sign up. If I want to sign up, click on it. I had something like a form to fill out like this. You can view your password, hide your password, and I'm like, if I had known, I would have connected the two clocks so that you can log in with Google and all those things. But it's still cool. But one thing here is that you can't navigate once you want to sign up. So you have to sign up or log in here if you have an account already. If you log in, you just have your username and password. If you don't have that, you sign up here. So that's awesome. Basically, you'll be navigating between two of them till you either log in or you sign up. So well, use the back arrow to go back from where I'm coming from. I believe you enjoyed this program that I made a year ago and it's still loving to me. I love it. I love it. So I want to look for Lagos. I want to look for Lagos on my map. Lagos is in West Africa, where Nigeria is. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so this is Lagos, Nigeria, where I am. Can you see it now? This is Lagos, Nigeria. Like Beju and all those things. So now you see that everything is showing. Everything is showing. Tinubu dash dash Agani, Ikeja. So you see, Onigbo, this is awesome. I love this app. And I think I just did this recording. I may put it on YouTube, but still yet my heart is with it. Although if I'm going to like work on it later, I'm still going to make it better, add some things, add some AI features to make it very modern and very helpful to people. That's what we love doing, solving problem for people, and still up to now, I still love that. So thank you. Nice peace. See you next time.